Hello there, traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover the crude oil market. I will speak about the crude oil and potential for the even bigger drop, and I will also speak about the intraday opportunity on the euro versus US dollar, because I think there is a potential downside rotation there. I will start with the crude oil chart first. So based on the daily analysis and a daily time frame, I found basically there is finally the breakout of this very well-defined upside channel. We call this a slow pattern. We got a perfect parallel line, which is basically a tight channeling mode, and this is a late stage of the bull trend, right? So we got like the trend basically started from this V-shaped rotation back down here, and then we get upside movement and an exhaustion, a sell-off, and the upside trend was pretty consistent with the smaller pullbacks. But then in the late stage here, we got this very tight channeling mode that we got a breakout from. We got a breakout yesterday, and also there was a reversal bar. We call this a wide range reversal from the top, and basically this is pretty bearish stance for the crude oil. And based on this analysis, I don't see the reason why this will and the crude oil will not test the recent swing highs based on the daily time frame, or even test of the bottom of this channeling mode. And the recent swing highs we got at 67. I will also put a marker for you, a price label like this. So we have a 67.83 and 66.80. So if you see basically with the 2 days down, they're trying to react back a bit, but definitely watching for selling opportunities on the rallies will be a proper strategy for this kind of conditions. So 67.85 and 66.85 potential downside targets on the crude oil. Again, because we got a 2 down days, we might see some reaction from buyers we see right now, but I don't see any bigger buyers in the play. So maybe some kind of reaction a little bit and then a downside continuation. So watch for selling opportunities on the crude oil. And if we break the 66.85, and obviously we can go all the way down to the pivot at 61.60, but let's go step by step and reference point by reference point. So watch for downside opportunities on the rallies, on the crude oil. Speaking of the euro versus US dollar, so this is basically on the daily time frame. We got some up day, we got a higher low and higher high. So far it seems like definitely buyers are in control. But there is one problem for the euro on the buying side at this stage, because we reached the previous swing low area, which is can act like resistance at this stage. And you see 1.1845 seems like it's acting like resistance. Let's check on the different frames, and basically we can see that there is also previous day high there, and we reached some upper. We're definitely trading into extreme mode in the upper Keltner channel on the hourly time frame itself. So we got a pretty extreme reading so far today on the euro. If I combine that with the market profile chart, I will use the InstaForex MT4 platform and using the market profile, you'll find out basically that we got we are right now testing this ledge or this distribution from between the 1.1840 and 1.1865. So this zone is acting like resistance, and as long I can see this easily work like resistance and price to rotate back down again, probably towards the 1.1800 zone again. So I definitely see potential for even downside rotation. So watch for that intraday potential opportunity, but again, wait for any kind of exhaustion pattern on the upside, or any kind of divergence, or any kind of increase on the selling side, increase on the down power. So for now, it seems like the buyers are still in control, but again, any kind of or bear divergence or exhaustion or channeling mode in the breakout, or bigger supply followed by a weak rally, that can be a good opportunity for data selling mode and for this rotation down back to 1.1800. That will be all for today. See you all tomorrow.